Hello everyone, myself Divya Tiwari, I am from Bangalore. I have joined Evision in May and now I got selected in CMS IT Services with the salary package of 2.8 LPA. If you want to make your career in IT field, then go ahead for Evision. Evision is the best platform for IT and non-IT personnel to make their career in IT field. They provide the best teaching staff for our better learning and the whole placement team and Evision team are being very helpful throughout the internship. I am thankful that I got opportunity to join Evision and I am thankful to the whole Evision team and my recruiter Muskan Naz ma'am to support me throughout my internship. Thank you Evision. Join Evision and get a job immediately.